Well, I've come across a lot of things bizarre. I don't know if they're worth repeating because not many of them have worked. I think where we're seeing some of the greater thoughts on sustainability is working more towards trying to increase organic matter and soil carbon within these blocks. So we're trying to make these orchards carbon sinks instead of carbon sources. So we're trying to put carbon into the ground instead of removing it. Or in other words, greenhouse gas positive, where we're actually able to sequester. And so this is through the use of compost, cover crops, incorporating biomass. I think there's been a lot of effort that seems to be very interesting that is providing a return on that investment, increased water holding capacity, decreased plant stress, nutrient value coming back into the crop. So some of these things that I think most people thought were far out 10, 15 years ago, one project I actually worked on before I left was grinding up the entire orchard and turning it back into the soil and then replanting into that field. People once thought that was crazy, are now looking at it and seeing the benefits from doing it. And it's interesting to see the change and focus on that soil health dynamic associated with these different practices being employed.